Buhay ko? Well, ako, personally, mahilig din naman ako sa plants in general. So, I just wanted to, to use that device kasi visually ang ganda niya.
Salamat. Thanks, G.
Thank you very much for your questions. That was Jojo Banaligan of Rider PH. Up next, we have Miss Dalian Carvajal of Philippine Star.
Hi, Jean. Welcome back. Long time no see. For Ash and for Andres. Hi, Andres. What's the crazy, parang Antos Lambo, what's the craziest thing you did for love? Too crazy to mention.
Ang hirap naman. Hindi ko maisip ka agad. Ano the craziest thing I did for love? Yung love mismo talaga. I think love is the craziest thing I've done for love. Kasi parang,
To believe in it.
when you're feeling love talaga, or feeling these emotions, it's a crazy thing, diba? It's never flat, it's dynamic talaga, So, yun, loving is the craziest thing I've done for love.
Ako naman po, siguro yung pinipilit mong intindihin yung mga bagay na hindi mo maintindihan. Yung parang kahit hindi na siya nag-make sense, parang tinatry mong mag-make sense siya para lang hindi mo wala. Mga ganun.
Oh God.
Wow.
Si Andres ba yun? For direct, kung i-compare mo sa Bulaklak yung tandem ni Ashres, what flower would it be? Pang beauty pageant question.
Siguro puting rose.
Pure.
Kasi, di ba, rose siya. So, parang rose kasi symbol of passion. Pero gusto ko siyang maging white instead of red. Kasi parang ang pure and genuine ng pagsasamahan nila.
Pero wala pa naman mga tinik. Kasama yun. The thorns of the roses.
Pwede.
Oo.
Pero yung thorns na yun, di ba, minsan kahit alam mong merong risk na masuksok ka, bibigay mo pa rin kasi mahal mo.
Hindi mo maamoy yung flowers without holding the thorns, sabi nga. Oo. Thank you and good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Thank you. That was Miss Dalian Carvajal of Philippine Star. Up next, we have Roldan Castro of Abandon Tonight.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon po.
Okay, kanina tinanong kasi Direk kung anong klaseng bulaklak kayo as love team. Ikaw, Andres, kung isang bulaklak si